This is the richest guy in the world.
My name is CZ.
When you hit a good thing, then go big. So don't go full on one idea and expect that to be a big hit.
How the heck did one man become one of the most powerful people in the crypto space? Changpeng Zhao, popularly known as CZ, is a successful Chinese-Canadian businessman and the CEO of Binance, the world's biggest crypto exchange. There's a bit of uncertainty around Binance these days. How does CZ deal with this? We will talk about this at the end of the video, so stay tuned. Alright, let's dive into his story. This legend was born in the 1980s in China's Jiangsu province. At the age of 12, CZ, alongside his parents, relocated to Vancouver, British Columbia. Zhao was dutiful as a child, helping his family's finances by working several jobs, including one at McDonald's. Zhao proceeded to bag a degree in computer science at McGill University in Montreal. Zhao is pretty skilled at what he does, so it wasn't hard for him to land a job as an intern at the Tokyo Stock Exchange. During his internship, CZ developed software for matching trade orders. Following the conclusion of his internship, CZ worked at Bloomberg Tradebook as a full-time worker for 4 years, developing futures trading software. In 2005, Zhao founded Fusion Systems after moving to Shanghai. His invention was regarded as some of the fastest high-frequency trading systems for brokers. And in 2013, CZ worked alongside his team to develop blockchain.info while also serving as Chief Technology Officer of OKCoin. Meanwhile, a life-changing experience changed Zhao's trajectory in 2013. He learned about Bitcoin from a friend and a venture capitalist, Bobby Lee, who told him about the opportunities in Bitcoin investment. Bobby advised CZ to invest 10% of his net worth in Bitcoin, which he could either lose or make double his investment. Somehow, CZ wasn't scared to take the risk. He in fact invested all his net worth and even went as far as selling his only home just to invest in a rather bleak future. The investment outcome wasn't favorable to CZ, but undeterred, CZ held on to Bitcoin. Interestingly, the turn of the event led CZ to immerse himself in the studies of cryptocurrency. As a man with a vision, CZ dreamed of a world where everyone could access the financial freedom that only cryptocurrencies could provide. And so, he set out to create the biggest and best crypto exchange in the world, a place where anyone could buy, sell, and trade their digital assets with ease. And so, Binance was born. Binance was officially launched in July 2017, subsequently raising around $15 million in an initial coin offering. CZ's vision for Binance was to create a user-friendly platform to handle high volumes of trades while maintaining security and stability. Just as CZ envisioned, Binance quickly rose to become the go-to platform for crypto traders around the globe. Exactly 8 months later, Binance became the biggest crypto exchange in the world with millions of users and thousands of coins. CZ had achieved his dream, and Binance became a shining beacon of hope for the crypto world. But CZ wasn't done yet. He knew that there was still more work to be done. He continued to innovate, introducing new features and services to the Binance platform, always striving to make it the best it could be. Later in 2017, Zhao launched Binance Coin, a utility token that gives holders various opportunities, such as discounts on trading fees. Also in 2019, Binance launched Binance Smart Chain, a smart contract competing side by side with Ethereum. Later that year, CZ launched a Binance affiliate in the US and almost did the same in Singapore. But unfortunately, Singapore wasn't at the lucky end of the rope like the US. Binance declined its application to establish a crypto exchange affiliate in Singapore. Under CZ's leadership, Binance has continued to grow and expand, adding new features and services to meet the needs of its users. In addition to its core exchange business, Binance has also launched several other ventures, including a decentralized exchange. Whether he is speaking at industry events, tweeting about the latest crypto trends, or simply working hard to make Binance the best it can be, CZ is always at the forefront of the crypto world, leading the charge toward a brighter, more decentralized future. Binance recorded laudable success within its first year of operation. In 2018, CZ made it to the cover of Forbes as the third on the list of the richest people in cryptocurrency with a net worth of $1 billion. Meanwhile, Binance has continuously faced its fair share of challenges, just like any organization. For instance, hackers stole $40 million from the Binance account due to a breach in security, leading to some users losing their two-factor authentication codes and API tokens. However, Binance was upfront in its dealings. It publicized information about what went wrong, also going as far as covering users' losses out of its secure asset fund. This singular act of sincerity from Binance further enhanced and strengthened users' trust in the platform. Additionally, Binance is equally not free of FUD, which stands for fear, uncertainty, and doubt, a slogan within the crypto world. It has suffered from FUD created to cause uncertainty around the crypto trading platform. It is not uncommon for FUD to spread about companies to manipulate public opinion. In recent times, there have been several instances where panic spread about Binance. For example, in 2019, rumors were circulating on social media and other online platforms that Binance was hacked and that users' funds were at risk. Binance, in its defense, quickly denied these rumors and assured users that their funds were safe. In 2020, concerns were raised about Binance's compliance with regulatory requirements, particularly concerning anti-money laundering and know your customer rules. Binance has stated that it takes compliance with these regulations seriously and has implemented measures to ensure that it complies with all applicable laws and regulations. The most recent storm rocking the boat of Binance is the massive withdrawal by users, leading to a significant drawdown in funds. The reason for the withdrawal is that Binance users are justifiably concerned following the collapse of FTX in the first week of December 2022. Users are scared that Binance may suffer the same fate as FTX. Meanwhile, Zhao has spoken concerning the new trend, referring to it as business as usual. CZ also reportedly told his employee to brace up for bumpy months ahead. However, not to draw an unnecessary comparison, Zhao's comment is similar to Bankman-Fried's attempt at reassuring users following rumors that FTX is on the verge of collapse. On November 7th, Bankman-Fried tweeted that users' investments were safe, which he later deleted. Shortly after, FTX collapsed, just as the rumors predicted. From all indications, users of Binance are trying to avoid another FTX situation, which explains the reason for the massive withdrawal recorded on Binance. Well, it is good that users are proactive and looking out for their investment, but Binance management is trying to convince users that Binance is different from FTX, and they don't necessarily have to suffer the same plot twist. Reacting to the unrest, Zhao said, "With Sam Bankman-Fried's arrest, I think people generalize. So if you get hurt by one bank, you're going to think all the other banks are bad. If one politician is corrupt, do you think all politicians are corrupt? But the fact is that because one bank is bad doesn't mean all the other banks are bad. And just because one politician is bad doesn't mean all the other politicians are bad." Meanwhile, the United States Department of Justice is nearing the end of its probe into Binance. It seems as though CZ and other Binance executives might be charged with money laundering violations. On the one hand, Zhao's comment on self-custody seems like an allegiance with US Senator Elizabeth Warren's Digital Asset Anti-Money Laundering Act, contradicting his initial comment describing self-custody as a fundamental human right. There's no doubt it is a difficult time for CZ, but there's a high chance that Binance will continue to flourish and grow as long as he remains at the helm of Binance. But will Binance truly stand the test of time? Let's keep our fingers crossed as the events unfold.